dinosaurs are mean creatures. They don't. And guess what? Patrick just said that's a little combination about sharks. But guess what? Today we're going to talk about the Kraken. So have a pretty good time watching Epic Nature. Today we're going to talk about the Kraken. So today we're talking about crabs. No, we're talking about krakens. And wherever krakens and crabs do, they pinch. So,
one time,
are
the Kraken ate a boat I was on, and somehow I survived. Lime's Ricky drank a lot of coffee this morning.
So, Poseidon had the Kraken all up in a volcano, which is interesting. And when he got mad, he said, "Release the Kraken!" So, dolphins do very much. So guess what? Everybody, deserve our channel. 3 channels. We're pretty lucky. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go see the WJZ town now, okay? Alright, today we're talking about the turtle.